I'm Amy, I'm living in Chrysalis, and I'm going to be doing some more testing of the Too Faced Christmas Star Palette. Let's get to it. Welcome back to my channel. So my plan with this palette is to do several looks using what appear to be laid out quads. For instance, we've got a quad here, we've got a quad there, etc. So let's see, today is Monday. This is going to go up probably on Thursday, so I should have at least 3 of the 5 quads done, so you'll have sort of a decent idea how this palette works before you decide whether or not you want to drop any coins on it. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. So hopefully I can get to the point where I get a community tab and can update y'all during the week, take polls, ask opinions. That would be so awesome. I'd also really like to start streaming from my phone. My phone kind of sucks and it can't handle more apps, so using a streaming app isn't really viable for me, but I would love to go live and have some chats with y'all, so you know how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now usually I chuck these little plastic sheets, but because the face products fold on top of them, I've kept this one. That's just my husband. He'll be out of the way in a minute. Okay, well, let's see. I'm already wearing red lipstick and a red shirt, so I'm going to go pretty tame with the eye look today. Oh, wait. I forgot to do my face products. I usually do them before I start filming, but I want to use the ones in the palette. Use Chestnuts Roasting as contour and bronzer. Try to trim down this big old honker I have. And emphasize my itty bitty divot. My dad has a huge dimple in his chin. But nobody's seen it in decades because he has a full beard. Okay, so hit that. I'm gonna hit. It's like I have all these almost markers. Like I almost have high cheekbones. I almost have a cleft in my chin. I almost have a straight nose. The funny thing is before my septoplasty, my nose was actually straighter, but it was a lot bigger. And I actually did not get my nose done for vanity, but to breathe better. I was actually a little worried that it was going to mess up my nose. But it did get smaller to the point where I've showed my husband pictures of me when I was a teenager and a young adult, when I was still living with my parents. As not only had I not had a septoplasty and my septum was basically curly-cued, but I was also living in a house where I was allergic to just about everything in it. My parents had a lot of pets, and my mom was very into fiber arts. Like she would spin and weave and knit, and so there was always wool and cashmere and stuff like that around, and it turned out I was hideously allergic to all animals, all animal fibers. Yeah, so that sucked. It's like I moved out and my nose shrank, and then I had my septoplasty and my nose shrank some more. So, but it's still, it's still out there. Okay. Alrighty, look at that. Oh, that's disappointing. Well, that's sucks. I just got this. Dang it. That is annoying. Cute but cheap packaging. Yeah. Let's see if... I don't know. I'm annoyed. Okay, well, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use the lighter blush and the darker highlighter just to keep the rest of my makeup subtle. So my lipstick will be the star of the show. So this one is the Nice List. Did I use this one last? Yeah, I think I did. But yeah, I think I did use this one last time. Well, let's see. Construction's over. That must be the garbage truck. Yeah, it's like I live right on a secondary street. Not the main drag, but there's still a good bit going on here. Okay, let me hit that. All right. Then the highlighter. I'm going to go with Let It Glow this time. I used the lighter one last time, but I want to go a little more subtle. Plus I want to check out this highlighter color anyway. I'm going to be kind of mad if I wind up feeling like I have to depot this whole thing because the package gets crappy. Not that I won't. Y'all know I will. I do love depotting, but I like to keep the package nice for a while. I'm annoyed. This is my second time using this. I learned last time that cashmere comes off a little bit darker than it looks in the pan, so I'm not going to use it like an all-over setting shade this time. Things are done. This is the final look, so do let me know what you think about it below. There should be a couple more coming up. Okay, going into another look. I have already put on the bronzer. There's only the one bronzer. It's called Christmas Roasting. And I used the Up to Snow Good blush, which is the darker shade of the two, and Let It Glow, which is the darker of the two highlighters. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the eyeshadows. Oh yeah, I'm also using the Ginger Snap lip gloss over my NARS Let's Go Crazy pencil or crayon because it matches my shirt. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, watching, hanging out with me, whatever you want to call it. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.